In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can buy and get bundles from the shop here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Enough for that though, this is actually super simple. Look over on the left hand sidebar and try and find the little shop menu just like so, and go ahead and select shop to open it up, and you're going to see the bundle section up at the very top. Essentially all these bundles are going to include a wide variety of reasons. The newer stuff's going to be up at the top, and if you continue to scroll down you're going to see some of the other stuff as well, like the 2 swords just like so. And each bundle is going to include different stuff. So you want to go through and find one that fits exactly what you're looking for. Some is going to have melee and swords. Some is going to be like a melee plus some swords, some melee plus some outfits, swords plus some outfits. If you continue scrolling down though, you're going to see just individual items as well that you can go ahead and purchase. Like if you just want a specific sword, you can go ahead and get just a specific sword as well. So keep that in mind. But that's going to be the full process right here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.